Okay, I will show you how to create an EC2 instance from scratch. Okay, and I will update this video in the YouTube as well. Please use it as a reference in future also. If you stuck somewhere, you can use this video. Okay, so first you need to log into your AWS account. When you log in, you will get your console home. So if you click here, you will be having recently visited. You just need to search for EC2. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud, nothing but virtual servers in the cloud. So you can create a server, right, using this EC2 service. So in AWS, there will be multiple services. EC2 is one type of service. Using this service, you can create a server. Server is nothing but you can create a virtual server. What is virtual server? Like, see, this is also, you will call it as your system, right? I log into my laptop like that. So imagine, right, you are also creating some laptop on the internet. Okay, in the cloud, nothing but you are in the cloud, you are opening some, okay, you can create a server that is virtually. So now we are connected via Google Meet, not physically. Yes, virtually via Google Meet. So in the same way, you will also create a right server, virtual server, because we are creating right on the internet. That's the reason we call it as a virtual server. So click on launch instance. First you can give the name for your EC2 instance. Okay, I will just give my demo. Okay, so you can choose your operating system. So even in your laptop, right, before that you will choose operating system, right? See, this is Windows 10. So when you purchase the laptop, right, by default they will also tell, so when you will get a Windows 11 along with this laptop. Yes or no? In the same way, you can create a right any laptop on the internet. Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, Linux. Like there are multiple you can browse. So AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Image. Okay, you can choose the images. Okay, if you compare with real life example, I hope in the childhood you used to take cycle for rent. Yes, whatever the cycle you want, different companies of cycle you can choose. You can play with it for 1 hour. Okay, for that 1 hour you will when you return it. Okay, depending upon the hour you will charge. You can choose if you choose a top cycle, right? Top racing cycle. So depending upon the cycle, the price will be increased. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
even it will apply for bikes or cars, whatever it may be. In my childhood, I used to take right cycle 1 hour, right? I used to pay 1 rupees. Same way, AWS, okay, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba, whatever it may be, they are also providing right laptops for rent. Laptop is nothing but server. For your understanding, I'm telling laptop. You should not say that. Okay, you need to call it as a server. So he's telling, okay, you want to create anything? Okay, I will choose Ubuntu for now. Why only Ubuntu I will choose? Because Ubuntu is easy to use. In the beginning, if you want to learn anything, Ubuntu will be simple and understandable. That's the reason we will go every time with Ubuntu. Other will be, we can take Red Hat, of course we can take, but it will little bit confusing. Ubuntu will be easily understandable. That's the reason everyone choose Ubuntu first. Okay. So you can choose Ubuntu different versions. In Windows, you have a versions or not? 7, 10, 11. Am I right? In the same way, in Ubuntu also you will be having versions 24, 22. Okay, I will not choose 24 latest version. I will go with older version because older version will be stable compared to latest version. That's it. So it will pop up a message. Just click on confirm changes. And I told you that depending upon the right cycle, you will be the price will be getting increased. See, if I go down, so instance type T2 macro free tier eligible. Nothing but if you create an account recently, so for 1 year, you can create a T2 macro of EC2 instance for free. Okay, only if that's the reason free tier eligible, it's showing a message. So T2 macro, you will be having 1 GB of RAM and 1 CPU. Okay, so you can choose T2 medium as well. Okay, T2 small, T2 medium. This will be chargeable. Okay, see, it is clearly showing right 0.0496 USD per hour. So you will get right for per hour. Even if you use for 30 minutes, you will get a charge for 1 hour. Okay, even if you use for 1 hour 2 minutes, you will get a charge for 2 hours. Getting my point? Okay, then I've chosen a T2 micro. T2 micro is more than enough. Okay, for practice. Okay, let me do T2 medium. I will take T2 medium. Why? Normally you can choose T2. Okay, I will take T2 large. It's okay. 8 GB RAM, 2 CPUs. Okay, and it will ask for key pair required. You can select the key pair if it is already created. If you don't have a key pair, just click on create new pair. So RSA, yes, PEM. So we will not go with PPK. PPK is okay. If you have a putty software, you will go with PPK. Okay, I have a git bash, right? I will use RSA and key pair name was my demo key pair. Okay, so just create key pair. See my demo.pem file. It will be go and download in the downloads folder. Okay, it is sitting under downloads folder. So here you need to do one thing. Just click on right click. Okay, git bash here. Just click on git bash here. So what is this git bash? If you don't have git software in your system, git search for git installation. So git.scm.com, this is the official website. Go to this. Okay, click on download for Windows. So when it will ask for standalone, yes, click on standalone Windows x64 setup. Okay, see, it will download a setup file. See, started 67.7 MB. Oh, it is downloading two. I've selected 2 times, right? I will cancel this. So if you go to this folder, see, software was downloaded. 2 was downloaded. I will delete this. So when you download that, double click. Okay. So it will ask run. So you can click on run next. I will not click okay because I already installed, right. I will not click it. When you install, right, automatically you will get an option. When you right click, you will get this git bash here. So VS Code is also required as a DevOps engineer. Same, you just search VS Code, download. See, write code.visualstudio.com. So download Visual Studio Code. See, click, okay, just click on that. It will download the setup file. Download not starting, try this direct link. So if it is not started, you can click on this. Let's wait. See, it's downloaded. So VS Code user setup. Double click. I already installed the VS Code. I will not install. Okay, I will click on don't run. You just click on run and next, 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 next. That's it. Enter. Then you will get two options. Okay, if I go to downloads folder, when I right click, okay, open with code or git bash here. So let's focus on git bash here. Okay, so I will choose my key pair, my demo here. See, by default, if I edit this, by default it is creating my EC2 instance in a private network, so called as virtual private cloud, VPC. Okay, and it will choose the subnet is no preference, so it will choose any one of the subnet. Okay, see how many subnets are there? 1, 2, 3. So if there is no preference, any one of the subnet on top of any one of the subnet, it will create an EC2 instance. So availability zones also, if there is no preference, it will choose any one. And if you want to assign public IP address, as of course, I need to have a public IP address to my server, right? Then only I can able to log in from publicly from my laptop. So firewall, you can create a security group. You can select existing security group as well. So if you already created a security group, say I already created all traffic, I can select this. But you don't know about this site, I will click on create security group. Okay, security group name will be hello all okay traffic. Description, allowing all traffic if you compare with the real life example. I hope if you are staying in an apartment, do you have a watchman? Traffic.
Yes, sir.
So watchman, or like if you are staying in a community, there will be a security guard. Yes. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the job of security guard? He will not going to allow everyone inside this community. Yes, you need to have some permissions. So depending upon the community, there will be have some apps. So in that, okay, already who are staying inside, okay, they will get a notification. Okay, or they will directly call to that particular person staying in that block. Even right in my apartment, I used to get a call when someone visits. After my confirmation only, they will get allowed to my flat. So in the same way, now you are creating a virtual server in the cloud. So you need to have some restrictions or not. If you keep right everyone to allow, it will make a problem. So that for that reason, for EC2 instance also you will be having a security group, which you can define who will be allowed to log into this EC2 instance. Okay. So you first thing was SSH is important. So 22 port. So SSH will able this port will help us to log into the EC2 instance. If you don't have SSH port, you cannot able to log in. So I will add one more rule. Allow all IP addresses to access your instance. We recommend setting security group allow access for known IP address only. See, it is already there anywhere nothing but 000.0 nothing but any IP address. So for every laptop you will be having IP address or not. CMD, I will open a CMD. Okay, run as administrator. IP config. Yeah, IP address 192.168.0.115. Yeah. So what is IP address? 0.0.0.0 something, right? So if I give 0.0.0.0 nothing but anyone from the internet, okay, with any IP address, okay, they can able to let allow. That's the meaning of all traffic. Nothing but anyone can able to rest access this EC2 instance. Getting my point? So that's the reason I have mentioned 0.0.0/0. Okay, any IP address. And storage, how much storage you want? Okay, I will choose 25 GB. Okay, see, up to 30 GB will be free if you are right created the account recently. After 1 year, right, you will be having charges. Okay, so you know right how to create a security group. Click on create security group and choose that. For now I will go with select assistant security group. I already created a security group. I will click on that all traffic. I will show you this, don't worry, what permissions I have added. Okay, then number of instances, one is enough for today. Launch instance. Okay, I will show you the security group. Go to EC2. Okay, again. So come down, come down, come down. See, network and security, there is a security groups. So from here also you can create a security group. Okay, see, security group, my underscore SUC, description on which VPC. Okay, inbound rule. So security group will not have an no inbound rules. So there is only add rule, all traffic. So already there is added, right, all traffic 0.00. Okay, I will give SSH. What is the SSH port? Already you see enable port 22. So you no need to choose this. Okay, you can, if you want to add a tag, just click on create security group. Or it is telling to add description. Hello all traffic. So you need to choose the VPC as well. Okay. Oh, it is telling you need to. Okay, I will choose 0.0.0. Create security group. So you got it right, how to create a security group?
Yes, sir.
So in security group you can choose only outbound rules. Okay. Okay, security group has no inbound rules. See. So what is this inbound and outbound rules? Inbound is nothing but incoming. Outbound nothing but outgoing traffic. So in the apartment also people will come and go. Yes or no? Who are coming, right? They are incoming. If you are going out, they are outgoing. So like that you can allow inbound and outbound. So there will be two types of security will be there. One is security group, another one will be network access control list, NACL. Security group will be under your EC2 instance level, resource level. Another network access control list, it will be under subnet level. So what is this security group NACL? I will recommend you to go through some tutorials on that. You will get full clarity. Okay, I hope you got to know how to create an EC2 instance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, if anyone watching this video on YouTube, if you are looking for live class on DevOps, you can ping me on WhatsApp. I do provide live training daily, and I'm recently starting a new batch. Okay, so please like this video so that I will update more videos like this. I'm stopping the recording for now. So once your EC2 instance is running state, you just click on connect. Okay, copy this. So I'm just showing you how to log into your EC2 instance. So go to the downloads folder where you have downloaded your PEM file. Okay, click git bash here. Okay, what are the command you have copied? So if you enter shift insert right in your keyboard, it will be pasted. Shift insert, or you can do like this as well. Right click, paste. So shortcut I have used shift plus insert. You can use that, or you can directly right click and paste. So this is not a good approach. As a DevOps engineer, we need to use shortcuts. Okay, enter. It will ask for yes or no. For me, it is not asking because right, I've already executed. So for the first time, it will ask yes or no. Give yes. Then after you will log in, you will inside your server EC2 instance. Okay, that's it. So if you want to come out of this, enter exit, exit. Okay, you will back to your laptop. So when I enter, so what is this command? SSH minus I, nothing but inventory file. Okay, minus I, you will give the file, password file, mydemo.pem file. This is what we have created, right? Then Ubuntu, right, at the rate, username at the rate, IP address. Okay, your username is Ubuntu, nothing but login as a Ubuntu user, and at the rate you can use the IP address or DNS name. Enter. That's it. You will inside your server. Do whatever you want. Okay, then exit. So if you want a Linux right from 0 to hero, you can comment on this video. Yes, we want Linux 0 to hero. I will start tutorials on Linux from scratch. And one more thing, as I said, I'm starting a new batch. So this is the tools we are going to cover as part of new batch. And like, if you want a Linux, as I said, right, you need to learn about this Linux. Anyway, I will also cover whatever required basic things in my class. But if you want Linux tutorial from scratch, please like this video and comment out. So we'll start from Git, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, and real-time projects. So you can ping me on WhatsApp. This is my mobile number 8500411173. So shall I show you the class calendar? Don't worry, I will show you that. Oh, where is the class calendar? Yes, DevOps class calendar. DevOps class calendar batch 4. We are starting a batch 4, okay? So when it will be started, see Git, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes project. So when you enroll that, you will get this file. Don't worry, okay? So Git will be started from 15th September. So when? So today is 12th August. From 15th onwards, 15th September, you will be having a classes. Monday to Friday, you will be having a classes. Saturday and Sunday, you will be having a holiday. During this, you need to clear your doubts, okay? You need to practice a lot, and you need to clear your doubts in the weekends. We can connect, right? We can, if you have any doubts, ping me in WhatsApp, share the screenshot when you practice, if you are getting any errors, okay? And during this Saturday and Sunday, I do conduct mock interviews as well. If you are free, right, whatever you have discussed this week, in the next week, okay, when we have a holiday, I will conduct a mock interview so that you will get to know how much strong you are on that particular tool. It's like this Terraform, Docker, Ansible Docker, Kubernetes, okay. And during festivals also, as part of this Diwali, right, you will be having a holiday, okay. We need to have time, okay. We need to spend time with family, as well as we need to focus on upskilling as well, okay. Only upskilling, right, you will not, it's never going to happen. You will forget everything, okay. You should have some relaxation to your mind. If there is no relaxation, there is no point. Yes, okay. And if you want in one picture, see, if you want this one picture, so take it, take a printout, kept in front of your desk, so you will get an idea, right, when the tool will starting. Git, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, right, monitoring and real-time projects. Yeah. Okay, once you have done your practice, okay, don't forget to delete this EC2 instance, okay. It is running, right? Click on this. So instant, if you go to instance state, you can stop, you can reboot, nothing but you can restart your server. So how you will restart your EC2 instance? Sorry, sir, Windows, restart, shutdown, sleep. See, stop, you can stop your EC2 instance. Reboot, restart. Terminate, nothing but delete. It will be deleted permanently. I will delete it, okay. When you done the practice, delete it, because you will pay an amount hourly basis, okay. See, first it will shut down, then after it will delete it. You know, this is my laptop, right? I purchased this laptop, so I will just shut down. Yeah, whenever I want, I will again turn it on. Here also same, once it is gone, it's over. You can create again, right? You can create one more. See, terminated. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye.